Hey Sam, welcome back. Today we're going to learn the word
sammeln,
Hi Alex.
Sammeln.
What does that mean?
Great question.
sammeln,
Means to collect or gather. It can refer to collecting items, like stamps or coins, but it can also mean gathering information or people together. The most common meaning is to collect.
That's interesting. Are there any false friends I should be aware of?
Yes, actually. In English, to assemble sometimes gets confused with,
sammeln,
but they aren't the same. While
sammeln,
is more about collecting,
assemble,
is about putting things together.
Got it. What about the grammar of?
Sammeln.
sammeln,
Is a regular verb. In the present tense, you say,
ich sammle, du sammelst,
and
sie, es sammelt.
in the past tense, you would use the Präteritum form, which is.
Ich sammelte,
For the perfect, you say,
ich habe gesammelt.
and if you wanted to give a command, you could say,
Sammle,
So, if I wanted to say I collected coins, I would say,
Ich habe Münzen gesammelt.
exactly. Perfect example, Sam.
where does the word
Sammeln.
come from?
sammeln,
Comes from Old High German, where it meant to gather or assemble as well. It has evolved over time, but the core meaning has remained pretty consistent.
That's really fascinating.
It is. Words often carry a lot of history. Now, let's break down.
sammeln,
Sure. How do we do that?
The root of the word is,
sammel,
which relates to collecting. It doesn't have a separable prefix, and there's no suffix changing its meaning. It's straightforward in terms of structure.
That makes sense. Are there similar words to
Sammeln.
Absolutely. For example, there's,
einsammeln,
which means to collect something together, like,
ich sammle die Bücher ein.
meaning I collect the books. Then we have,
Absammeln,
meaning to collect something that's been set aside, like,
ich sammle die alten Stempel ab.
Those are interesting. What about more examples?
sure. We also have,
Zusammensammeln,
which means to gather together, and
Anhäufen.
which means to accumulate. Another one is
Aufbewahren.
meaning to keep something safe, and
Horten.
which implies hoarding.
That's quite a few.
Yes, and we could also look at the suffix. For example, we have
Sammelstelle.
meaning collection point.
I see how that works.
Now, let's practice speaking. Imagine you're at a flea market. You want to ask the seller if you can collect items. You could say,
Darf ich die Sachen sammeln?
Darf ich die Sachen sammeln?
perfect. Now, if you're at work and need to gather information from your colleagues, you might say,
Ich muss einige Informationen sammeln.
Ich muss einige Informationen sammeln.
Got it.
one more situation, you're planning a family reunion. You could say,
Ich möchte alle Familienmitglieder sammeln.
Ich möchte alle Familienmitglieder sammeln.
This is fun.
I'm glad you're enjoying it. As for gender hints,
Sammeln.
is a verb, so it doesn't have gender. However, when you use it with nouns like
Die Sammlung.
meaning the collection, remember that it's feminine.
That's helpful.
For usage notes,
Sammeln.
is generally informal. Common phrases include
Sammle die Informationen. Ich sammle meine Gedanken.
and,
Wir sammeln Spenden.
meaning we collect donations.
Are there any words that are easily confused with?
Sammeln.
Yes,
Anfangen.
means to start, and
Sammeln.
can sometimes be confused with that if you're not careful about context.
Thanks for the heads up.
Now, let's look at some example sentences. For instance,
Ich sammle Briefmarken.
means I collect stamps.
Ich sammle Briefmarken.
And,
Wir haben viele alte Münzen gesammelt.
means we collected many old coins.
Wir haben viele alte Münzen gesammelt.
Another one is,
Gestern sammelte ich Informationen für mein Projekt.
which means yesterday, I gathered information for my project.
Gestern sammelte ich Informationen für mein Projekt.
You're doing great, Sam. Now, let's do a quick recall. What does
Sammeln.
mean?
It means to collect or gather.
Correct. Can you give me the present tense for?
Ich.
Ich sammle.
Right. What's the past tense?
Ich sammelte.
Exactly. And the perfect form?
Ich habe gesammelt.
Perfect. Now, can you give me an example sentence using
Sammeln.
Ich sammle Bücher.
great job? Last question, what's a common phrase with?
Sammeln.
Wir sammeln Spenden.
Nice work, Sam.
Thanks, Alex. This was a lot of fun.
I'm glad you enjoyed it. Remember,
Sammeln.
is all about gathering and collecting. Keep practicing, and you'll master it in no time.